Chasing Rainbows, Understanding Idioms in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a colorful and intriguing phrase, chasing rainbows. Join us as we uncover its meaning, origins, and how you can use it in everyday conversation. Whether you're an English language learner or just someone who loves idioms, this video is for you. The phrase, chasing rainbows, is an idiom that paints a vivid picture in our minds. To chase rainbows means to pursue dreams or goals that are unrealistic, unattainable, or highly improbable. It's like reaching for something that looks beautiful from a distance but is impossible to catch or achieve. This idiom encourages us to think about the practicality of our aspirations and the importance of setting achievable goals. The origin of chasing rainbows taps into the universal allure of rainbows as symbols of hope and treasure. Historically, rainbows have been associated with myths and legends, including the famous pot of gold at the rainbow's end. However, as we all know, no one can actually reach the end of a rainbow. This idiom, therefore, encapsulates the human tendency to dream big, sometimes beyond the bounds of reality. Using idioms like chasing rainbows can add color and depth to your communication. Here are a few examples to illustrate how you can incorporate this phrase into your conversations. He's always coming up with new inventions, but I think this time he's just chasing rainbows. While it's good to have ambitions, make sure you're not just chasing rainbows. They told her she was chasing rainbows by trying to break into the industry, but she proved them wrong. Learning idioms is crucial for language learners because they enrich your vocabulary and help you sound more like a native speaker. Idioms like chasing rainbows offer insight into the cultural and emotional nuances of the language, making your communication more expressive and vivid. We hope you enjoyed exploring the meaning and usage of chasing rainbows. Remember, idioms are a window into the heart of a language, revealing its culture, history, and humor. By understanding and using idioms, you not only enhance your linguistic skills but also deepen your connection to the English-speaking world. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language learning tips. See you in the next video.